Good evening. Tonight we're going to do lesson 21 in unit 2. Find factor pairs for numbers up to 100 and use factors to identify numbers as prime or composite. So we're really going to be understanding what prime and composite numbers are and how to identify them. As I said before when we started this multiplication and division unit, I said that factors are numbers multiplied together. So 8 and 7 are factors, which give us a product of 56. So in this lesson, we're really going to be studying factors in order to help find the prime and composite numbers. 1 times 6 equals 6, and 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So that means 1, 2, 3, and 6 are factors. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, and 15, because you could do 1 times 15 gives you 15, and 3 times 5 gives you 15. There are 4 factors for 15. Is 16 a prime or a composite number? So we have to understand that a prime number is a number that only has 2 factors, which are usually itself and 1, whereas a composite number has 3 or more. So let's look at 16. Let's list all the factors of 16. Well, we have 1 times 16, we have 2 times 8, and we have 4 times 4. They all equal 16. So how many factors are there in 16? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can't count 4 twice. So there are 5 factors of 16, which makes it a composite number. You also need to remember that the number 2 is always a composite number. Just keep that in your mind. Is 5 a prime or composite number? Well, let's look at 5. What are the factors of 5? Well, I can only do 1 times 5 gives us 5. There's no other factors that give us 5. So therefore, 5 is a prime number because it only has 2 factors. It only has 1 and 5. Is 7 a prime or composite number? So in that case, we have to do, what are the factors that give us 7? 1 times 7 gives us 7. There are no other factors that give us 7. So therefore, 7 is a prime number because 7 only has 2 factors. When a number only has 2 factors, it's always a prime number. Is 9 a prime or composite number? Well, 9, even though 9 is an odd number, and we're kind of seeing that odd numbers are usually prime, in this case, it's different. Watch this. 1 times 9 is 9. Another one is 3 times 3 is 9. So how many factors are there of 9? Well, we got 1, 2, 3. We can only count 3 once. So the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So therefore, 9 is a composite number, and it's also an odd number. Doesn't always happen, but in this case it does. What is a Christmas tree's favorite type of candy? Gotta solve the next 2 problems to find out. Good luck. Is 35 a prime or composite number? List all the factors and figure it out. Is 19 a prime or composite number? List the factors of 19 and see if it's prime or composite. What is a Christmas tree's favorite type of candy? Ornaments. Great job tonight. We'll work more on this tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.